Hello and thank you for your time today. My name is Murilo Brizotti. I came here to talk about the SAS solution for CECL. SAS solution for CECL is an end-to-end solution that addresses both ASC 3620 and 3630 account standards. It can be installed on-premise or hosted in the cloud using SAS Private Cloud, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. The solution is also SOC 1 compliant. SAS Solution for CECL provides a orchestrated CECL process workflow that allows for guided end-to-end execution that's well governed, auditable, and controlled. This workflow includes all the necessary steps for CECL, such as sourcing of the data, data preparation, performing data validation with the data quality checks to ensure data is corrected, and also perform data corrections. Run expected loss models with multiple weight scenarios and mean reversion assumptions, performing Q factor and management overlay adjustments, and finally producing the financial disclosures and management dashboard reports. The solution handles both collectively assessed loans and individually assessed loans, as well as HTM and AFS debit securities. Here you can see one of the main screens of the solution. The solution is web-based and includes a guided workflow to orchestrate the execution of your CECL process. This workflow holds information about all the data used for a given CECL run, including audit logs, execution timestamps, user justifications and documentation, and information about who ran each of those steps in the workflow. When sign off, which is the last step here on the right, the workflow is locked down and serves as a rich evidence for internal and external auditors. Auditors then can use these workflows to understand which data was used, which version of the CL models were executing, including all the outputs produced by those models. At the core of the SAS solution for CECL lies the model implementation platform component. This component provides credit unions with the ability to develop and integrate their own models natively, including models that are developed with SAS code, Python, or R. Furthermore, it's flexible and allows you to implement a diverse set of the models, ranging from simple loss rate curves to competing hazard models, such as the ones we have here with prepayment and default, to more complex types of models such as Monte Carlo simulation methods. Because the models are implemented natively, you have a full transparency about all the calculation produced by the solution, as you can see here on the user-defined logic. Also, because it's natively integrated, those models provide the ability for richer analysis. The models are executed in memory or on a single server node on a computing distributed farm when the data volume is high. The solution is fast and is scalable. The solution also brings a full-fledged integrated web reporting tool that allows credit unions to visualize, customize, and create rich and detailed management dashboard reports. These reports include the ability to visualize and pinpoint which financial assets may have data issues, consistent with the BCBS 239 principles. Further, you can drill down to a single portfolio segment or at the loan level to visualize the associated reserve amounts and concentration measures to understand, for instance, which segments or loans are contributed the most to the allowance. Here you can see the editing mode of the web report component, where on the left pane you have objects, chart objects such as bar, chart, box, plots that you can drag and drop from the left to the right to customize your own dashboards. One of the rich analysis that the solution includes is the attribution analysis. It's a powerful tool that can be used to explain and document the main drivers of changes on your provisions or allowances between two reporting periods. As you see here on the farmost left side, you have the allowance of the previous period. On the farmost right side of the chart, you have the allowance of this current period. The attribution analysis is fully configurable, and you can pick and choose the set of drivers that you wanted the solution to explain attributes, such as the ones here on the middle. At the push of the button, the solution then calls the models multiple times to isolate those drivers and explain the deltas. The SAS solution for CECL includes customizable templates that allow credit unions to quickly and easily produce all of the financial disclosure reports required by CECL. This includes disclosures for loans and financial receivables, hold to maturity debt securities, as well as AFS debt securities. Here are the list of all the reports included by the solution. The solution is built on top of the SAS Common Risk and Finance platform. This is one of the key differentiators. The solution is highly configurable and customizable, and many credit unions choose SAS for this reason. Reusable set of software components such as the workflow, the model implementation, and the web report components can be tailored and extended to cover different requirements. SAS gives you and credit unions the ability to address multiple use cases beyond CECL, such as stress testing and business as usual loss forecasting. Thanks again for your time today, and please visit us on the SAS.com webpage for more information about SAS and about our solution for CECL. Have a wonderful day.